Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how we transformed a local coffee shop into a beautiful baby shower. So without any further ado, let's hop right in. So immediately after visiting this venue, I knew exactly where I wanted to place everything, from the gifts to the centerpieces to the photo backdrop area. So we're going to get started with that area. There was a seating area as soon as you walked into the restaurant, and I thought that was the perfect place for this photo backdrop area because the mom-to-be was pregnant with twins, and I didn't want her to walk up these stairs in order to take photos with all of the guests. Now, speaking of the upstairs area, that is where we used to store all of the gifts and all the seating for the guests to enjoy the food from the caterer. The caterer was absolutely amazing. When I say he was amazing, he was absolutely amazing. The food was so good. And yes, I do notice that these the cutlery was set wrong. I had someone that was helping me that was left-handed, and I was doing these tables, she was doing the other tables, and so we did go back to correct that table setting after this video. But back to that, we used the table that was in the upstairs area to place all the gifts, and then the other seating we just arranged in a way that would be welcoming and conversational for all the guests that were invited for the shower. Now, this was a very intimate shower. I already loved the seating that was in this restaurant. You guys, please forgive the shaky footage. I was using my cell phone camera. But I absolutely loved the seating that was already in place in this restaurant. I decided to go ahead and allow that to be the greens that she wanted, because her colors were sage green, pink, and white. And so I was like, yeah, this is already gorgeous. There are some spaces that you go in that you don't have to recreate. You don't have to recreate the wheel, right? You don't have to redo the wheel. And so I definitely, thought that this was one of those places. And I love the chairs. We kept the chairs that the restaurant already had. And when you pick a venue that already has, the colors that you're looking for, the vibe, the feel that you're looking for, the seating that you're looking for, it's just a no-brainer. It saves so much money in the end. And that's exactly what we did here. We just accentuated the beauty that already existed in this venue. The color palette was so beautiful that I didn't have to add draping. I didn't have to add extra seating. I basically brought in what I needed to decorate the tables, and the venue really, really took care of all of the heavy duty work. Sometimes we transform and sometimes we enhance. Knowing when to apply the pressure and knowing when to pull it back is the key. And that is one of the things that I teach in Luxe Academy. I am going to share with you guys a little bit of information about Luxe Academy for those of you all who may be inspiring or aspiring event planners and designers. If you're interested in this field, I would love to teach, mentor, and coach you. So here is a little bit about the program so that you can learn more about my online and in-person educational opportunities. Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Luxe Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Luxe lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Luxe Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxeacademy.online. And now that has been said, you guys, I want to share with you guys another resource. I go live on Amazon every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. And a lot of the items that I share in my videos here on YouTube, you can source and find them there on Amazon. So I will leave the link down in the description box below, as well as in the first comments, to share with you all some of the beautiful things that I was able to find that would be perfect for a boho themed or jungle themed wedding or event. So definitely check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget, whenever you're looking at a space, think about the ways that you can change up that space to make it what your client wants it to be. Whether it's a coffee shop or venue, whether it's a barn or even a storefront. I'm decorating an old grocery store today. There is a way to transform that space into what you imagine. I'll see you guys at the next video. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!